So I bought this RGT Race Tech shift light off of eBay a little while ago, just to get something in the car that would help me shift a little more on point, especially N54 starts losing power around 6,000 RPM. So there's really no need to go past that. And I found myself going all the way to redline a lot during the races. I'm also hoping this will help keep oil temps down. So really easy install. Wasn't even worth really showing anything. The only thing different was, and I'll show you guys the OBD2 port and where to find a shift signal. So yeah, made a bracket because the bracket I had was, well, I couldn't really stick it with 3M tape anywhere. So I made a whole bracket. I'll show you that too. So I'm just gonna take this OBD port off. There's gonna be a wire run on number 9 pin, and I'll just splice that in. Okay, so apparently the OBD2 port has a wire that sends the same pulses as the RPMs. So that's gonna be number 9, which is this pin right here. It's actually the black wire coming out, if you can see it, on the bottom over here. So I just basically spliced our blue wire from the shift light and ran it all through right underneath the dash. That was really the only thing that might not be standard. All right, so made the bracket. This actually comes in and out of here pretty easily. Just flip forward and then it'll come out, and then it's all wired in, and then pretty much put it back in. That's actually made out of ABS plastic, the same thing I made the front air dam out of. So then I just threw a piece of 1-inch aluminum over it, and this just barely, from my view, sticks up over what I need. This is about where my view is. So yeah, works pretty well. I'll show you it all plugged in and hooked up. All right, so now that I have everything plugged in, the N54 is at 30 pulses, so I set it all up with that, and all right, looks good, sounds good. I have it set to 5,800 RPM for shift, and then it should flash at 6,000. So it looks good.
Thanks for watching CB Racing. Click that bell down below and subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!